and today I'm at Deergrass Court in the Grand, and I'm here to show you the top 5 reasons you should make this home yours. Reason number 1 is this fabulous location. Be in the center of all the activities in Grand and everywhere you want to be. Walk to Adobe, Desert Springs, or the Grand Café while enjoying your time here on campus. Reason number 2 are the views. Enjoy this beautiful open sky view and views of the golf course without paying golf course frontage prices. You get all the beauty of the greenery without errant golf balls headed for your windows. Reason number 3 is this beautiful patio. Enjoy entertaining in the summer or winter on this lovely private backyard for invited and pop-by guests. Feel free inviting all your neighbors and friends to enjoy afternoon happy hours on your patio. Spacious, warm, and inviting describes this private yet inviting backyard. Reason number 4 is this beautiful hardwood flooring. It adds to the richness of this beautiful Palo Verde model. There is nothing better than rich, real hardwood floors and beautiful tile to enhance the feel of this lovely home. Reason number 5 is this Palo Verde floor plan. Just under 1,900 square feet, big enough for a year-round resident and small enough for a winter snowbird. You get the advantage of the 3 bedrooms, which is a rarity in the floor plans in Grand. And those are the top 5 reasons that you should make this home yours. So give me a call, Shannon Biszantz, at 602-877-7653, which is 602-877-SOLD. I'm looking forward to hearing from you, neighbor.